My name is Matthew Waskevitz. I live in Hadley, Massachusetts, but I go to school in Washington, D.C. in the United States. And I am here for 6 weeks in Wales as part of the Fulbright Wales Summer Institute, along with 7 other undergraduate students from the United States. Well, recycling to me is a very, very important issue, and it's one that I've really grown up around. In our elementary schools, the same thing as our primary schools in the UK. We've always been taught from a very young age to just recycle, make sure paper goes in the right place, trash in a different one. And it's continued on, and as I've grown up. And recycling to me is it's something that it's key that we must do. Every little bit counts in order to kind of ensure that for our children and for our grandchildren we have a sustainable future. One thing that we've done in the States and in Massachusetts in particular is have a 5-cent bottle and can deposit on most bottles and cans, sodas and soft drinks of that kind. And so there's a 5-cent penalty, or a 5-cent tax, I guess, on each soda, which you get back if you go to a grocery store, so the U.S. equivalent of a Tesco's. And what that does is it encourages people through a small little tax to recycle. And it's been quite effective, and we've actually had it for decades. And as a matter of fact, we're expanding it this fall. It's on our November ballot for a referendum for the public to vote on, to expand the bottle and can bill to include bottled water and to also include certain types of alcohol, Powerade, Gatorade, soft drink, or energy drinks of that sort. So really anything now that would be a bottle and can, if this passes, and I think it will, would really encourage people to recycle and encourage a green, sustainable future.